Nikuile ka radio bosha. Haye. Haye. Ile ka radio bosha. Haye. Haye. Avuxeni maxaka endonto ka hambanahambana vito ra mina hi mina Mandla Legere gingirikani wa ka Mashava mi nga hlama namuntlha tata ra mina ri thyakini ku busy ngopfu namuntlha ku busy swinene mi twa torha man eka Spire Doors. Hey, I feel like actually I need a lot of water for this kind of show. Guys, loko hi minyangatsa masuka mi ya vona channel tin'wana lawa na hetelang ku va serious. Mi nga fani na vanhu van'wana va serious a hi serious ngopfu lawani a lava ku mi nga fani na Swara. Guys, Mr. Post shadelela, let's be honest. Yo, Mr. Post shadelela, huh? I can't. Okay, let's get into the whole shebang, guys. I just want to say, well, before Mr. Post, Prince Rangani and Dr. Joe Shiriman went Kamgana Lonene via Wula to explain exactly what happened at Dibin, I knew everything there. Mina sweswi mi nga swi twa ka radio namuntlha a ni swi tiva swo tala swa swibamu ku na mhaka ya timpama ku ri dlanyi ku bohi timpama a ni swi tiva leswiyana ku vamana va dakwini a ni swi tiva leswiyana ku how did Prince Rangani get out of the car. I knew those things. You know, some people thought he was actually running away from Mr. Post while he was actually not. He was actually going on stage to perform. Mara, I didn't want to talk about it because I just felt like issue is sensitive and it needed to be treated as such. So I wanted them to come forward. That's why I did that story where I said Mr. Post Prince Rangani need to come out, and I thank God they did that, and it shows responsibility on their part, you know, Mr. Joe Shiriman as well. So I'm glad they went on air to address the issue. I'm just not sure if they actually clarified the issue or if they moved on, if social and reach consensus. For me, leswi ni nga swi tisa swona a ni twe hi nga ri vanhu lava i nga ri avheza va twanana a ku za ku fikiwa la munhu un'wana na un'wana loyi a nga involved a titwaka a enerini. For example, let's start with Prince Rangani. Loko hi yingisele audio ya Prince Rangani swa twala ku Prince Rangani i kwate ngopfu, swa twala ku Prince Rangani ende i kwate ngopfu hi ndlela ya ku i twa a humiliate ngopfu emahlweni ka ndyangu wa yena, defense ta yena, family ya yena, you know, people that like him and the people that were there as well. So the apology that he got from Mr. Post, he actually felt like it wasn't enough if it's done in private, which was good for it to actually go on air. He should win Mr. Post a kombela ku rivaleriwa, and shot ala Prince shitwa nga xita n'wi rivalela Mr. Post. Mara Mr. Post shadelela guys. Yo yeah shira mina na Swara awu mina go pusha leswi swi husa kusona ni plus ya gym ya Virgin Active guys na mina gym man ya Virgin Active da bide. Yo hi Mara Prince Rangani spoke well, guys. I feel like he spoke well. He actually clarified everything for us. Dr. Joe Shiriman as well, he didn't want to sound like he was taking sides, which we understand, you know. So the stage managers. So number one, I feel like the stage managers they don't think kosa avogla because kuva ku komberiwe ku Rangani a shifta ku nghena Mansandleni va performer first andawini ya Prince Rangani. Swi endle ku Mr. Post a pusheriwa ndhaku hi ndlela yin'wana, but it looks like Mr. Post a jahini and nkarhi luwa hi ave ku ri vona a ku ri wona lowu nkarhi luwa Prince Rangani a ri performing. And by that time, we're not sure if the stage managers are the Mr. Post now because sweswiwani ku performa Rangani when the performance na, because we have to be fair. Because it looks like Rangani performing nkarhi luwa a nga ri wa yena, nkarhi wa yena wu dyiwe hi Mansandleni. So swi vula ku Mr. Post, it was within his right to go and understand what's happening. Mara the way he did it is questionable because probably Rangani is right ku ri a fane a ya a vulavula na mani na ti-stage managers ku va n'wi byela va clarify ku ri kahle ku humelela yini, why is Rangani on stage during my time because I'm supposed to go ka n'waminto, you know. We had those things. So ni twa nga ri ti-stage managers ti nga va ti endle mistake lani, and then loko hi twa hi mhaka ya byala bese po xi ri mani hleketa ku na hi nwini ku na mina ni khoma comedy guys, ti-artist loko ti ya performa tinwa byala a hi mhaka leyi mina ni yi seketelaka because swi endlaku ku va na tihuyu to fana letiwa, because loko munhu a no byala hakanyingi a nga le ka sense ya yena hi ndlela ya ku tirha na van'wani vanhu. Nkarhi wo tala munhu la nga na byala i va selfish, and hi leswi swi nga display Mr Post laha a hi swi tikuma na dakwe ngopfu between the two a hi swi tikuma na ri ku nweni byala a byi tsutsumi ka hina. Swi kahle ku va fika performa, you know, loko va heta performa ti nwela byala a swi bihangi sweswo, mara ku performa ku nwa byala before vanhu va xitejini, for me it's an insult to the people that are there watching you. It's an insult to the entire people that are following Xitsonga music, especially if those who are actually going to watch those kind of performances and everything. It's an insult to the Xitsonga music. We cannot have people who perform while drunk. It's not right, you know. And then, so my God, that's why I wish they can actually avoid it, because now that look where we are. Lero byala byi nga va byi tlange part kwe tikuma hi ri laha hi nga kona sweswiwa. Then loko na ta mhaka swibamu, yo guys, and mhaka swibamu mi vhele ni yi twini a loko ni nga loko vulavula hi yona ka nkanelo wa Gingirikani, because swi kahle ku yi nyika vanhu chance va yi vula hi voxe, and I'm glad ku ri Rangani was honest, because he was honest. He mentioned it ku humesiwe swibamu na me ku humesiwe swibamu ni swi twini no twa ku humesiwe swibamu. Mara now Mr Post says iri yena swa swibamu nga swi vonanga a nga za a ku na munhu la nga humesa swibamu, very kheni munhu wa kona la nga humesa swibamu. Mr Post you know me swa swibamu ni swi tivi. Who's fooling who here guys? And loko ku ri ke Mr Post wa kaneta hi ndlela leyiwa a ti defender hi ndlela leyiwani, ku ta move on njhani? Mhaka leyiwani for me it's still not sorted. Mhaka leyiwa yi tikomba yi ri kulu ku tlula leswi hi ni swi hleketisaka swona. Loko munghana lonene yi ze yi teka yi yisa moyeni swa tikomba ku ri this is a big issue, and I'm glad ku ri xi nyike nkarhi ku va kota ku explain ku what happened. So i mhaka yin'wana ka nga tsakisi ngopfu mhaka swibamu. A swi kahle ku bulisiwa swibamu loko vanhu va ri ku tsakeni, especially loko ka ti-festival ta Vatsonga. Mina nkarhi wun'wana that's why ni nga swi rhandzi ku ya tindhawu letiwani man ni karati sweswiwani wa biwa na hi mpama kwala pow hi ku ve ri dlaya nyoka tonginerini pow ya ne. Mara Dr Shajima musi a xi jimi Dr maybe i fanele a hlanganisa na Prince Rangani ku va vona ku va huma njhani mhaka ya Virgin Active, because Dr ina body loko if you know dlaya nyoka his body structure yi tikomba ku nga ri munhu loyi a tlakulaka na tinsimbi nyana so Mr Post ya jima liya a tshembi xa jima lexiya, a tshembi xa jima Mr Post mina va tandza hi Mr Post nyana guys. No va xava xidelo mhaka xidelo nyana lexa vanhu va tsandza hi Mr Post mhaka xidelo. Okay maybe ku no hi mhaka ku na swibamu swa xavisa, mara mhaka ku boha vanhu guys before vanhu va performa is not right. If you know tinsimu ta Mafamba, if you know tinsimu ta Dr Joe Shirimani, ku na voice yin'wana ya mahlehlele yi yimbelelaka le ndzhaku i Doctor, you know, Dr Mkhabele hi yena misa loyi ve ri dlaya nyoka yena a hlavelelaka laha. So loko ke kuma ku vanhu va biwa va kha va ri performing a swi tsakisi, especially kuma ku i team ya one. Well Mr Post i ri a ni swi tivi le ka team Shirimani sweswi na a swi tiva ku Rangani music a hi le ka team Shirimani vo tirha swin'we, mara Mr Post ku i le ka team Shirimani is still a question that need to be answered. Maybe that's one local album ya Dr Joe Shirimani huma, which I doubt ku ri Mr Post i kona. I don't think Mr Post i kona. Well we had Prince Rangani aku Mr Post promise ku ri i tata a Joburg ku ri va ta kota ku hakela na timali ta ti-award leti a nga dya, because i vurini Mr Post aku a mali ni yi tirhisini mara ni ta mpfalela ni ta Joburg. Loko a fika Joburg apparently a nga ha fikanga rangani xi kuma swa malani le ka swona no lava apology ya vana ranga xi tikomba xi pandza nhloko guys ene xa jima munhu wa vision active so makati mpama a yi khomi kahle makati mpama yi khomi kahle guys mara swi tikomba nga ri album ya Mr Post yi kona endliwini loko ku ri ke ni impela mhaka leyi va yi vulavurini and va yi sorted out mara based on what I heard I don't think they sorted out kumbe they reached an agreement kumbe a consensus laha va nga twanana ku mhaka leyi hi siya behind us and ya mahlweni I don't think so. Probably Dr. Joe is there but Prince Rangani and Mr Post I don't think va le ku kumaneni right now according to what I heard on radio. And well, loko hi ta ka future Tim Shiriman is quite questionable right now. That's why I think maheveheve ma ta tshama ma ya mahlweni ku ri ku nga va ku ri mahetelelo ya ku va hi vona Mr Post ka Tim Shiriman na. That is a question because Mr Post u vule la ku ri Mambawule la ku ri producer ya mina, meaning sweswana a ka ha ri producer yena, you know. we are asking because I was listening. Mr Post ite Mambawule la ku ri producer ya mina and then the question ya la iku what is a producer? So vanhu vo tala va hleketa ku loko munhu a tlanga keyboard I producer, mara I understand where Mr Post comes from because sometimes wa producer music in kha nga koti ku tlanga I can koti ku chaya kota ku vula ku la a nciceni ni vona ku hi nga nghenisa voice ya so la swi cinciwa swi khavisiwa swi sasekisiwa and I feel like Mr Post I nga ri ina talenta liya yo taniya yo kota ku producer hi ndlela liya. Mara to say Prince Rangani is not a producer, that is an insult. For me, that's why Mr Post you can't say Prince Rangani is not a producer. Prince Rangani is a producer, everyone knows that. Why do we say Prince Rangani is not a producer? You know? Guys, timhaka leto a ti le ku lehi ti ya khatileha mina I thought namuntlha munhu un'wana na un'wana ta fika a accepta leswi a nga swi endla ivi ku move on, mara un'wana na un'wana a ri ku defendeni ku ri mina ni le leswi ku humelele leswiwani un'wana na un'wana le ku defendeni. You know, Mr Post did ask for forgiveness, mara was it genuine? That's the question, you know. It could be genuine, mara it was not that enough. I didn't feel Mr Post atitwa akha atisola ku va a pusha vanhu stagini kumbexana na mhaka leya ya swibamu loko ri ke ni impela I ntiyiso, you know, na mhaka leya timpama loko ri ke ni ntiyiso na mhaka leya mabyala hileswaku a ku fanele ku apologize va apologize na eka hina ti-fans ku ri mhaka ku va na byala va kha va performeni a ni voni yi ri right mina a ni voni yi ri right. That's why music wa Xitsonga na wu rhandza swinene and music wa Xitsonga wu rhandziwa ngopfu, you know. It's very difficult for me to even move on and not do Xitsonga music at all. Some people have questioned ku ri wani nga endli analysis, you know. The basic answer ya sweswo I ku na mhaka ti copyrights, you know, na mhaka ya ku ti musicians ta Xitsonga I don't feel like they are matured enough to understand the role of critics or music analysts in the field. So it's like music analysts or YouTubers are dismissed in the field. We are always dismissed like as if I phone in chumu. There is a huge role, guys, with the music analysts or the YouTubers who are criticizing or who are congratulating, who are praising, because it's almost like a promotion, questioning, to make people think, you know, challenge some words, ideas. We discuss. That's why it's called Nkanelwa Gengirkan. This program is because of that. You know, you cannot dismiss the music analyst in any field. Even hip-hop, even R&B, there is music analysts. We are not professional music analysts ourselves. Mara, I personally believe that we are making a contribution to music wa Xitsonga, and that needs to be acknowledged. We cannot be treated as if I phone in chumu or we are here ku italusa tinkambi. Music analysts ta Xitsonga, I don't think they are there for that. We are here to engage the fans, you know, give the fans a platform to express themselves about their artists, you know, to create a conversation around the music. Because analysts, just like in sport, there is music analysts, there's sports analysts, there's political analysts, financial analysts. Even music has analysts, guys. So the fact that some of us have given ourselves those tasks without mun I torin, Ashwuluku must be dismissed and treated as if we are trash or we are nothing. No, we actually deserve credit because most of these artists, some of you started following these artists because of some of us. Some of you started following Xitsonga music because of Nkanelo wa Gingrikan, because of other people that are there also as well, like Vumanyangatsi and all. You started doing this thing because of people like us. So we cannot be dismissed. Xitsonga artists need to understand that once you tell yourself that you're a music artist or Xitsonga music artist, you have to know, you must be ready for critics. You must be ready for praises. You must be ready for congratulations. You must be ready for fans meeting you, say they want to take a selfie with you. That is part of the music industry. Music industry doesn't end. There's so many people involved. There's songwriters. I produce and sang Dr. Joy Shiriman. But award uncomplainangi. Nuguni lava mali at award. So there's people that are involved, not the managers, so many people. You cannot dismiss music analysts at all. It can't happen. No. We are here. We are playing a role. Some of you may not see the role that we are playing, but the truth is we are playing a role. So I just want to pass there. Nilungisale, because we are always dismissed as if I phone in chumu. The fact that we have so many following, it shows kuna interest ka music wa Gaza, and there's also interest ka music wa Xitsonga, kuna interest ka leswi hina hi swi endlaka. So we cannot be dismissed. It's not right. Artists need to understand that. Once you partake in an art form, there will be critics, there will be praises, there will be congratulations, and all those things. It's a package that you assign yourself to. Once you assign yourself to be an artist, you must know, you must be ready for those things. You know, it's even better because music analysts, they don't even talk about people's personal lives. Man join a money. Man jolela money. We don't go there. We only look at the music. And I feel like that is so professional. That is better. That's good. That is what is supposed to be happening. In other countries, they look at who is cheating with who is divorcing who. We are not interested in people's girlfriends or boyfriends here. We are interested in the music because music is an art form. And once you are partaking in an art form, we will talk about it. Unfortunately. Okay. Hileka radio bosha. Yeah. Okay, guys, so tell me who spoke well according to you, who was lying according to you. Look, me instead recording the poster. Mititwineleka radio as well. What would you want to see happening? Do you think loko Tim Shirimani inga lungisa shayona loko Mr. Post ofamba kutawa kuri mahelelo kumbe ku relevance ya Tim Shirimani na? And also because we know that Mr. Post album yerini yikona yothama mara swi kumari loko ke ni impela va ulungisa timhaka yinge hi humi maloko ka nga lungisi timhaka the way I heard Prince Rangani speak and the way I heard Mr. Post speak swi kumari yinga huma album ya Mr. Post December because he ndluwini yerini okay ngativi ke ndlu ka studio shi duvurini kuna studio swo tala la South Africa. Kuna va Ngalas Records, you know, kuna va very man Minzuma Studios or Minzumba Studios. Kuna studios otala ngofu. Na mbawelo wa chaya, we don't know kuri album ya Mr. Post chaiwe Queen, but I can tell you kuri ai chaiwa nkona ka Shirima. Ai chaiwa nkona Pitori. And the logo huma itaitwa kuri itabela Queen. Logo huma itaitwa. Yeah, but unfortunately I won't do analysis tayona because I won't do the review style music watch song anymore in terms of listening and then analyzing those things because there are copyright issues. I can tell you now kurna Shoshwan I'm still fighting issue ya album ya Mr. Post lianga samani endla the analysis tayona nilawula ingoma tayona ni analyze the beat, the lyrics, mahlabelelelo, all those things. I did those things out of love and excitement, but it looks like it looks like a mistake because that channel, there's so many copyrights coming my way because of it, and it's dangerous for the channel. I've seen some channels go because of copyright issues. So because of copyright issues, it is difficult for me to come and sit here and go through an album, and because from my background, my training, I want to talk about something that I can play or I can make you listen to. I want to take you in a journey. I cannot just talk about an album. You know, I want you and me to be together and listening, and then saying how good the beat is, saying how creative the lyrical content is. You know, talking about those things, but it's difficult for me because of copyright issues. So that's why I haven't touched the album Tavan, because it's not copyrights, and it's a difficult one. It's not supposed to be difficult, because in other countries or in other genres, people do these kind of things, and then people who are responsible to release the copyrights, I understand, okay, these guys are contributing to our art, and then we must let them do their work. But then Kashtonga, it looks like, hey, Manberi, he died, so they have to fight it, you know. So that's why I don't want to do Shushtabam Tavan. It's a difficult one for me. That's why Mingen wouldn't let the review Tavan because of that. Which is unfortunate, because I enjoy doing those things. I actually enjoy sitting here and listening to an album and giving my point of view, you know, because that's what we're doing. Giving my point of view, and it should create a hype and excitement around that album. This song is nice, this song is bad, they could have done this, they could, you know, I shouldn't look one excitement build up album, you know. But anyway, I know it's a long video, I don't want to be long. So guys, tell me what you think. Album Josh Uma, but I don't think Mr. Post Arkona. Mr. Post album ready. You know. Makali award liya nuvulavula yona ku ri loko ku nga na contract swa tikanyana ku vanhu va twisisana ku fini va xerhaxerha njhani, mara Dr. Joe Shirimani vulavule ku yona yi file fomo, ende fomo leyi nga ri swi kuma laha ku tirhisiwangi yona, mali ya nghena ka account ya Mr. Post, and Mr. Post i dini mali xidini hi ekes dors va ka hina a ku ri mina Legere ekes dors tshwelekile nyora. Comment down below if you haven't subscribed to the channel. Please subscribe and also hit the notification bell to make sure that whenever we do our videos, you are not left behind. I got carried away there, but it needed to be said. The music analysts, YouTubers or Facebookers, YouTubers who create a hype around an album. And again, we are here, but then it looks like people don't like it. So, you know, we cannot always praise. We have to criticize, you know. So, the fact that people make it so difficult for us, it becomes so difficult. Like, oh, hi. Okay, Legeremina, Ekes Dors, selling your guys who are selling t-shirts, please support the channel. Misha t-shirt and Canelo Gingirkani. Nata Minga one of my dollar. 250 ntsena ma jela ku mi lava njhani ivi hi mpostela tona kun'wana na kun'wana laha mi nga kona a South Africa na le SADC region. So tell us what you want, what colors, what size and everything, then we'll do it for you. Legere mina ekes dors selekile nyora ne ku ile ka Radio Bosho haye vakombela ndlela vafo Hipale hinkwako ile ka Radio Bosha haye guys, hi, look at me like salute, minga titimeli